Whew. Okay. All right. Hi, everyone. Yeah. So today we'll be continuing on from our project last week. Actually, not really continue lah. It's more like we'll still do the Chart.js as promised. Just that we won't be combining it with our Pomodoro because I think we just do one separate session just on Chart.js itself. Yeah. So that you guys can have an idea how it works, how to modify it, and as well as maybe implement it into your own visualization projects as well. Okay, so yeah, let's start off with a new folder first. All right. So jump starter sessions, team 4, and let's do it Chart.js basics. Okay, let's open this with code. Right, and let's get started. So next start HTML. Okay, let's make one for the JavaScript and yeah, I think we just put style as well. Okay, so this one doc. The title, Chart.js basics. And so you guys can actually find this up. So Chart.js. Yeah. Yes, and yeah, so as you guys can see, we have some pretty amazing graphs over here, and it's very nice actually. It's very, very nice. So there are different types, and it's very you can animate it, you can play around with it, and it's open source. That's the best part. So it works with your HTML, and basically the documentation and all is really nice. And if you search on YouTube, right, for Chart.js, I believe it's still an ongoing channel. Yeah, so it's still upgrading. I mean, it's still updating. So there's a lot of nice content for it. So let's see Chart.js tutorial. Yeah, this one.
Win at work.
You can look at this Chart.js. Yeah, see? So it's still updating even until today. So 1 day ago, 5 hours ago. All right. So let's get started. So you can do installation. Right, installation over here. Okay, it doesn't really show. Okay, so what we want to do is let's copy this, right? A div into our body here. Okay, then after that, let's copy the source, script source, put it on top. Let's link to our CSS file as well. Okay, that's CSS. Right. And let's copy this. Oh, yeah, sorry. By the way, let me just quickly check how is events. Oh, I'm surprised that today Nelson not here because usually Nelson always join us. Okay. All right. So let's continue back. So we have this, and let's copy this and put this into our sandbox. Okay. Before that, let's link this to our stuff as well. So script and source. We want that to go to our sandbox. And defer so that it makes sure that our JavaScript here will load up.
Yeah, Gino, can you zoom in?
Sorry?
Zoom in.
To be?
Zoom in.
Zoom in.
Yeah.
This one, right? Wait, how to zoom in already?
From the view. View.
View.
Yeah. Appearance. And then zoom in down there. Yeah.
Oh, oh, like this. This is okay?
Yeah, okay.
Nice. Okay. Yeah, so now we have this. We have sandbox over here. I believe I'm missing something though. Oh yeah, this one very important. So continue chat config. This one we put at the end. See, this is to tell it to configure everything. Yeah, configure everything. Set up. Okay, yeah. So the way how they usually do the code is, if I'm not mistaken, config setup. Okay, hold on. npm install configuration. Okay, so this one we have here, Chart.js. Oh my gosh, there's so much going on. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna come back here, right? And we're gonna copy this whole thing. Okay, we're gonna copy this whole thing. Wipe out all this. Yeah, this one much better. Okay, so just save this. Okay, nice. Now let's give it a try. Let's run this. All right, great. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so how this works is it is you have your key, you have your value over here, and then some of them they are actually nested inside. You know, so like for example, this one data sets, so labels, right? So there's quite a lot of options. So options here, this one is like if you want to do a little bit more advanced features, you can actually modify here. Okay, so let's take a look. So label here. Okay, so this is red, blue, green, purple, orange. So if you want to change the name, you can change the name over here. So let's say, let's make it back. Update it, then you will update over here. Okay, so this is the name part. Okay, then here's the background color. So over here, if you want to make it darker, just change it. Background color. So instead of 0.2, you make it 0.8, or if let's say you make it 1, right? Basically no transparency at all. Okay. So it'll be completely red, just like this. Okay. So you can modify your colors over here. 0.8, yeah, still too thick. Yeah, this one just nice. Okay, border width. Okay, so let's say it's 3. Yeah, okay, so you can change all this over here. Okay, so I think let's try to make this a bit more interesting. So I think what we can do is we can try to add new elements. All right, so let's say I want to put in 2 buttons, right? One button to add in a new value, right? Like here, this is the data. So let's turn this into a variable instead. Okay, so this whole thing, we're gonna grab it. Okay, and okay, and let's make this var data, var data. Okay, so var data and var label names. Okay, so we want to grab this and then we replace it. So label names here, put it here. Data, let's put it. Okay, we don't want the same name. Okay, so we call it data set. Right, so here, let's replace that data set. Okay, nice. Right, so it should still work. Awesome. Okay. So now what we want to do is let's try to add in some interactiveness over here. So maybe what we can do is 2 inputs. All right. So I want to have a beef. want to have input. So label first, label for input value, right? And after that here, input equals to text. All right, so text, and then let's give it an ID of value, right? And after that, we want to have a submit button, you know? So button. So okay, let's make it a bit easier first. Right, so I want to style this up a little bit. So let's try. Hey, Jonah, for this one, right? If we want to style out a button, is it better to make our own div or we make like button like that also can one?
Actually, button itself is good already. Yeah. I mean,
Good enough, huh? All right, nice.
inline styling.
Okay. All right, so I'll use that. Okay, so let's say what do we want? We want button to be input, input button, input button. Then put a hash here, put button also. Okay, then press enter. Right, then it's automatically it will generate class and ID for you. Okay, so submit. Yep. Okay, nice. So now we have this over here. All right, this is just nice already. Now we want to take in the value, and when we take in the value, we want to add that to the array, and we want to submit. Okay, so the moment we click submit, right, you take in the data and we will upload on the chart. Okay, so let's see how do we do that. So var, sorry, constant input value equals to document get by ID, and let's make it put value, and after that followed by put document get element ID. Okay, and input button. Okay, right. So the moment we get the result, so we need to have a event listener. So put button that and add event listener, right? And syntax again on this one. Okay, function. Okay, so here I need click, right, and function. Okay, awesome. So let's see that we can console log the value first. Yeah, so input value that log. That value, okay, make sure you put a value. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, yeah. So let's make it, let's say 34. Okay, submit. Okay, nice. Yeah, so it shows over here. Awesome. Okay, so every time it adds the value, what we want to do is we want to add that. So I believe that's concate, right? We need to concate it. Oh, no, we need to push it. Right, we need to push. Push. Put that value. Okay. And yeah. Once we push it in, we want to update it. Okay, so if you want to update it, all right, so what you can do is you search update Chart.js, make it a bit easier. So updating Chart.js, yeah, I believe what we need is this line. Okay, but I'll just click into it just to make sure. Yeah, it should be correct. Okay, so we just put in this line, my bar chart. Okay, so it's not called my bar chart. Ours is called my chart. All right, so we have to change this my chart. Okay, update. So let's see what happens. So if let's say I put it 34, okay, then make it 23. Okay, so it is showing. Okay, I think what we need to do is we need to log our data set, whatever is inside. Set use. Okay, that's when I press. Okay. Data set values. Oh, okay, because this is a string. Okay. So that means I need to convert it into a number first.
Pass int.
Pass int.
Yeah.
The capital one.
The int got the I.
Pass int. This one, right?
Yeah, pass in.
Okay, nice. Pass int. And we want to pass int this. Okay. I feel this one still won't solve the problem. Okay, so it went from, okay, it's this 19 to 5. Okay. I think what is happening here is we need to update these label names as well. Yeah. So that means I need to take in 2 arguments in actually. Oh, I know already. Okay. So this push, right? Okay. So I need to push it into data set. I also need to push that into our label names. Okay. Label names. Okay. So let me comment that nicely. So push your data in data set and name. I think we can comment out. Okay. So 20. Okay, nice. There we go. 4, 23, okay, 56, and okay. So there we go. Nice. Okay. So as you can see over here, right? If you don't define the color and all, they will actually just change it. Yeah, it will just change accordingly. So yeah. Also, if let's say you want to have if you want to remove this, right, you can actually just press on this, then it's gone. Okay, so I think what we can do is maybe we can try to put in 2 sets of data. Yeah, 2 sets of data, then we can turn it on or off. Yeah, okay, so you can try that. Okay, anything else? Oh yeah, let me just try this. If I'm not mistaken, right? Actually, we didn't pass in. So this one, let's remove this. Pass in, pass in. Let's do this. Yeah, because if I'm not mistaken, the Chart.js library quite smart one. Yeah. Okay. So if you even if you put in like strings and all that, the Chart.js they will auto convert it into numbers straight away. So you don't have to worry about it. So I think the only time you have to worry is like let's say you put here, put this, then it will have some error. Okay. So only numbers will work. Yeah. We don't need to worry about the conversion. The Chart.js will settle for you. Okay. Nice. Okay. So what else can we do? Okay. I think I can show you guys like what options can be explored actually. So let's say, okay, let's make it. Okay. So, right, we actually have a few options to work with, few colors, few color types. So let's see this one. Responsive charts. Oh, this is not what I want. Colors, data structures, options, accessibility. Yes, sorry. Chart types, yeah, chart types. Okay, so you have a area, you have a bar chart, bubble chart. Yeah, so I think we can try bubble. Yeah, so type bubble. So let's just change that. You can experiment around with this. So bubble. Oh, all right. Okay, so I think bubble doesn't work for our type of data. Let's say line. Yeah, I think line definitely will work. Yeah, okay, so line over here. Great. What else can we try? This one, I think, yeah, donut and pie would work as well. So donut and pie. Yeah, donut and pie, right? Oh, we can mix it up also. So we can have two. All right, nice. Yeah, polar area, radar, scatter chart. Okay. Yeah, but if I'm not mistaken, yeah, this one they need different configurations. Okay, so I think let's just quickly test out donut and pie. See how is it. Okay. Donut. Where's donut? Over here. Donut. Okay, wow, this one very nice. That's a donut. Yeah, pie. Pie also not bad. Mm. Okay, I think in this case, all right, there are a few things that we can do. Okay, so I'm thinking because we do have quite a lot of time today, because this one is just playing around with Chart.js. I think what we can do is we try to have a select options. All right, so we're gonna try put select options to allow user to change chart type. Okay, and we're gonna gonna try implement. All right, implement two data sets in one go. And the last one we can try, one more thing we can try is change the color setting. Setting, Okay. Set it anything else. Filter last 7 days. Okay, yeah. Okay, so you can actually check, like let's say if you want to show the data, right, only like up to the last 7. Yeah, this one actually yeah, if you do it with this one, actually it's not much of an issue. If you try to pull the data from Firebase, that one will be a bit more challenging. Yeah, because you need to figure out how to filter it accordingly. Okay, but anyways, yeah, that one is a different story. Okay, so let's try to do change the chart type first. Okay, so maybe what we want is let's have a new selection option. Okay, so if and I'm gonna let select. So select, we're gonna put color change. Okay, type, type, and syntax already. I always forget this one. Right. Okay.
I believe it's just option.
Option.
Yeah.
Oh, like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Value and ID, is it the same thing for this one?
Not really sure. We'll check a bit.
No, I don't think they're the same. Okay. Okay. All right. So we know some that works. So bar, right? So bar works. Bar. Oh, by the way, guys, so apparently you can just press on the line, right? Just Control C or Control X, right? Then you can straight away copy the whole thing already. Okay, so I think maybe we try for a few types. So we're gonna go to line, right? This one also change to line. This one donut. Okay. We group them together, right? Donut, right? This one also donut. This one we'll put on top so that they are grouped together, right? Oh yeah. So this is bar, right? Oops. So this one will be pie, right? Pie as well. Great. Okay. So what do we have here? So we have bubble. Is bubble? No, bubble is not. Yeah, bubble doesn't work. Bar area. I think area is pretty much bar by default, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, but you guys can test around later. Yeah. So I'll just go with this one first. Donut, bar, and lines. Yeah, pie as well. Okay, let's test it out. So I'm pretty sure this one I need ID also. So up one and up two. Okay. Let's try these two first. Let's see if I can refer to them. So if I save this, I like this one. Hey, why am I like options like this one? Did I do it wrongly? Okay. Yeah, now it's encased inside. Nice. Okay, so every time, all right, I click. Oh, okay. Yeah, then in that case, I don't think need ID already. The ID belongs to this select options itself. So it wouldn't make sense to have multiple, I think. Okay, let me try this. And then basically like when I click on this, right, I refer to the ID here, then it will get me back what is my, like what is my current value. Is it a bar, is it a line, is it a donut, things like that. Okay. All right, so here, all right, we're gonna get, so we want to update the, sorry, change the, okay. So how do we do that? Let's make it here lah. All right. So chart type, and let's set the default value as a bar. Okay. Bar chart type is equals to bar. Okay. And we want this one here. Then after that, what we do is chart type is equals to, okay, we need to get the value first. So const would be what did I put here? Chart type, yeah, same thing. Okay, so chart type equals to document dot get element by ID and chart. Okay, so nice. So chart type. Okay, I want to get the value. Okay, so I get the value. This one straight away.
Just now is what you saw just now.
Sorry,
Just now.
just now got sound, right?
No, I mean just now. What is issue for the option?
Oh, what the issue for option?
Yeah.
I didn't run it yet lah. But I can try to get the option. Okay, so chart type. Oh, okay. In that case, I just do it here. Actually, can already. Yeah, okay, so I don't need to define it here actually. So chart type is equals to get document. Okay. So my submit button, I need to rearrange it lah. So my submit button, let's put it maybe over here. Okay, with the div over here. But you know what? I think I just put it outside. That is after everything. Okay, nice. All right. So 23. All right, submit. Let's make it 12. Okay, nice. And let's change it. Okay. Doesn't why? Chart type is goes to dot value. Okay, I need to read. I need to see what value I'm getting back first. So console log and type value. Okay. And I want to get this. Save this. Okay, so I want pi. Value is pi. But then why it doesn't update?
Maybe you put the whole stuff above.
Whole stuff
Yeah.
above.
Yeah, the whole event listener.
My chart. My chart that update, which is correct. Chart type, how they push it in. Label means. Sorry, Jonah, you were saying what?
You try. Wait up. May I look the how you define a chart type? Chart type.
Chart pi. How do I define
Chart type. Chart type. Chart type. Yeah.
pi?
Yeah. Line 6.
What do you mean?
Wait. Chart type. Line
Chart
6.
type. Chart type. Yeah. So this is bar. So line 6. Chart type is over here.
And then for the event listener, chart type. Maybe you try move the event listener to the line number 1.
Line number 1.
And together with the line 14, 41, yes, these two.
This. Okay.
How?
Okay. First of all, right, the value does come out correct. What?
Yeah, but it's not updating.
Right. It's donut. Hmm. Okay. So position wise doesn't matter. Okay. You know what? Why do I hard code it first? Let me see if anything changes now. What if chart type is equals to
Wait up. You
pi?
go back to the line.
Right, equals to pi. And yeah, let me try this. So the moment I click submit, right, it doesn't transform, right? That's the thing.
Yeah, you just undo it first. Then you go to line number 6 or line number 1.
Oh, your one can work, is it?
No, I mean, I'm looking at yours.
Yeah, then can. Oh. Data set that push, I'm putting it inside. Putting it in an array, so there's no problem there. How do we check for type again? Type off. Type is equals to. But it doesn't make sense. It should work what this one. If we're defining it here, bar.
Yeah, did you so?
No.
Yeah, you go back to your JavaScript there.
Hold on. Oh, you need. Oh. The logic is correct, but you have to change the type from configure and then update the variable. Okay, hold on. Okay. Let's try this one. Okay, so I think what happened is the logic is correct, but the chart rules do not allow it directly. Like it needs, so far from what I see here, is you need to destroy it. So it's either you destroy and remake the chart, or we can redefine the chart over here. Okay, so right, this line most probably we need later, right? Maybe let's try with this one first. Okay, so var chart config is equal to type pi. Mention that. Oh, are you? Junhao's internet GG. Hey, Junhao, your internet okay or not?
Not really okay.
See you going in, dying in and out like that.
Did you so?
I think so. Over here, so here they mentioned that you need to like destroy it or something. Destroy the chart and then remake it again. Yeah. So I think it's just a Chart.js thing. So I'm trying out this code that they mentioned. So what they want is you need to redefine it again. And then now what you change here is function change to bar. And they want you to, my chart equals to new chart. Okay, so these are the configurations, right? You're putting in this dictionary or this JSON file, all right? You're putting it here, and then CTX is just, I think, one of the format syntax. Okay, then after that, we will update it, right? And data sets. Okay, we should update. So in that case, right, what I should do here is this whole thing I should cover up, no problem. And here I need to run this thing, which is change to bar. Let's see this one first. So the moment I click submit, nothing on. Data is not defined. Right. Okay. Data is not defined. What is data? Data is this whole thing. Wow. Okay. Well, there's a lot of things going on here. Like, I'm gonna lie. Okay. So we need to update this thing. We need to update this whole section over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this. Be under here. And how do we do this? I need to save this as a variable. Okay, let's bar data. So this whole thing. Okay. So this is copied already. Okay. Good. Now let's see what happens. ID must be destroyed before it can be reused. Wow. We cannot. Okay. My chart.destroy and then chart data.
Yeah.
I think we just use this.
You use.
Okay, so this one, I still need it, right? The bar data here. This whole thing change to bar. All right, we don't want that. So, oh wow, so much easier. Okay, so we destroy it. My chart, we redefine it again. We turn it into a line, chart data. So I have data already. I'm going to turn it to this. Okay, cool. Then I think I need to update. Oh wait, let's try the update first. Does it work or not? Okay, all right. So now, okay, now I know how it. Okay, in that case, I think we better come up with two different buttons there like that. This button should belong to this. Okay, this one, put it here. And let's call it submit values. Enter the values. Yeah. Great. Enter values. And then here, let's have our own button as well. So button and we want it button we want it to be change. Right? And right change type. Okay, so okay, that's super long. Yeah, or actually, okay, never mind. Okay, so we have this ready, nice. And then, all right, so let's do different event listeners for that. Okay, so this whole thing should be different ones. Change type, okay, equals to document get element ID. We want it to be okay, change. Okay, nice. And what we want to do is add event listener. Okay. Right, on click, if I put it correctly, right, on click and function. I can put this inside. Okay. Okay then. So let's try it out. Why cannot? Then I grab it. Change type, change type. Change type correct already, yeah. Does it enter or not? So log. Oh, it's not even entering into the loop. Okay, something's not right. What's going on? Change type. I'm getting it. Oh, okay. Should be click. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So this line, all right, we need to change that. Let's pull out from here instead. So the type it should be, let's grab that. So const chart type goes to document get element ID. Okay. And after that, we want to have type. Okay. Right. And here type. Okay. Here need to value. Make sure that we get the value only. Okay. Now let's try it out. So if I have donut, okay, line, okay, I cannot, must be destroyed. With ID, one must be destroyed before the comma can be reused. Oh, I can destroy it one time only. Okay, I did it one time already. I will change the line. I cannot because canvas is already in use. Chart with ID, one must be destroyed before canvas can be reused. My chart is equal to this. My chart destroy new chart. And only destroy Chart.js. Okay. So that means I need to have this. Okay. Try copy this code in. See it works now. Tab, tab. Okay. So I'll be going in here. I can't really change this. No point of changing this. Dollar is not defined. Hmm. Okay, I think because this is query, so a bit more fun there. Okay, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so we're destroying and then we're rebuilding it straight away, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so get element by ID. All right, what is our ID for this one? ID is my chart, right? So let me change this, my chart. Okay, chart container. This one I need to put it chart container. Whoa, hold up. Okay, I think I give up on this one. Okay, so we know that we can do it one time, but we can't do it second time apparently. So this one needs a bit of a bit more time, right? I think what we can do is actually YouTube it up, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, something like this. We change Chart.js type.
Right? Oh, that's it. What happened here, this is the issue with the horizontal bar chart, basically. It doesn't adjust the chart. But that's basically the way apparently this is more because what happened here, this is the issue with the horizontal bar chart, basically. It doesn't adjust. Maybe why it doesn't adjust.
Okay, yeah. So actually, if you guys are interested, you can actually check this one out. Yeah. So the YouTube actually got a lot of solutions. You can check it out there. All right. Okay. So I think we'll skip this, and all right. I think we still have time for one quick one. I changed the color setting. So maybe we just try that one. Okay. All right. So let's remove all this. And let's just go back to having this Chart.js, this whole thing, right? I don't think we need it. No. Okay, chart type value. Okay, we also don't need this anymore. Right, back to basics. Okay, so save this. Okay. Nice. Yep. Okay, this one works. Okay, no problem. All right. Let's change this back first. I prefer us having line or bar. It's not a bit easier to see. Cool, cool. All right. So maybe. Oh, okay. Sorry. If you want to see the color, right, we need to use bar instead. Let's change that to bar. So let's change it to bar, and maybe let's remove this whole div over here. Right, this whole div. Let's remove that, and instead, what we can try is change. Junhao, hello Junhao.
Yeah.
Is there like a pull button where I can pull left and right, and then the value change from 0 to 1?
What?
I want something that can go right and left right and left, and then the value will change from 0 to 1.
Got.
What is that thing called in JavaScript?
Slider.
Striker.
Slider.
Oh, slider, right? Slider. Yeah, I want to try it. Let's see if we can implement that. Okay, nice. I want this one. I'm gonna go a bit lazy here. Okay, slide container input type range. Okay, mean is 0, x is 1, and value is 0.2 because that's the color at the moment. Class is slider, ID is my range. Okay, so I need to pull out from this my ID there. Okay, so what do we have? Okay, nice. Eh, oh, like that one. Okay. All right, I think I know what's going on. It's based on the 100 one. Yeah, okay. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to change the inside color. Okay, so I think what we need to do is we need to do some maths lah to deal with this. Okay, I wonder what happens if I put 1000. Okay. Right, so we need a new event listener for this. So constant, what's this called actually? This is called my range. Right, my range, yes, that's correct. My range is equal to document that get by ID uh, range. Okay, nice. And I want to get the value. After that, once I'm done, uh, my range that add event listener. Okay. Which one do we need? This one we need the moment it releases, right? I want it to be the moment I release my mouse. Uh, hey, I want the summary. Why you don't have a event listener? Mouse down. Okay, mouse down. I need mouse up. That's how it works. Okay, mouse up. And then the moment I mouse out already, I need it to run a function. This function here, go in. Okay. Now what I want to do is I need to see what is my value. Console.log. And oh, sorry, I cannot simply do value like this first. I need to put it like this. Okay. Then after that, over here, uh, my range equals to my range dot value. Like that. Range. So then after that, so okay, console.log already. What is our output range? Range, okay. Output range. That's okay. Let's see. So I'll move it here. Okay. Yep. Nice. All right. So it's on mouse up, then the thing will show already. Great. So instead of 1000, let's make that into 100. And actually, we do want it to be, all right, we want it to be, we're going to do some maths here. So this one, we want that to divide by 100. Is it 100? Let me think. Yeah, divide by 100, right? If I'm not mistaken, yeah, divide by 100. Okay, then after that, I want to see what value do I get. Yeah, awesome. This is what I need. Okay, then what I need to do is, wow, I need to access all the things inside here. So that means background colors. colors. Okay, how can we change all the 0.2s here?
You mean the rank?
How do we access all the arrays inside? And then some of these arrays is a string. Leh.
The 0.2 is color, right? Or what?
0.2 is the transparency. Wow, this is a JavaScript algorithm problem. How to convert this? Okay, I need to convert this into from string. No, oh no, I can. I just need to modify the last three right, the last three stuff, 1, 2, 3. Right. So I need to remove this and then oh no. I need to remove these last three things and then replace that with my own string. Does it make sense? That means I need to identify what is the last three, remove it out, and then replace with my own new string of stuff.
Because you have to convert the array into, no. You have to convert the string into not a string first.
No, we keep it as a string is no problem. We just want to remove the last.
Cannot.
Then we just attach it back.
Because if it is a string, you will I'm constructing my synthesis. You
Okay, no problem.
Because if it is a string, you will be getting the whole bunch of string, not a single value. Means the whole RGBA 255.99.122.0.2 as a value.
Yeah, so what I want to do is I want to delete this last part and then concat it with this front this part.
Cannot.
Wait, let me try first. You try your own solution and then maybe we discuss right after this. I feel like this one can. Okay, how do I scan for the last part? I need to scan for the last element. Wow, but this one very mafan.
No, first we have to convert the string into something else first.
And
then
isn't this a string, man?
Yes.
You cannot convert it into a number.
Yeah. So this is a problem.
Wait. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna extract this one first. Okay. Bar string. Okay, let's have fun with this one.
No. I mean actually got another method on.
Splice, right? Isn't it?
No need splice. No need.
Okay.
No need. You want to adjust the transparency, right? By using the slider.
Yes.
So where's the slider? Yeah, the input range, right?
Yes.
And then for the starting from line 90, you select the 0.2, 0.2, and you replace it with this thing.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh, I know. This one is a split. Is it using split?
No, you replace it with this.
Oh, isn't that a jQuery?
You try first. Maybe can work. Maybe cannot. You replace the 0.2 with this.
0.2 with this. How do I target here?
Yeah, you just replace it. Try see.
You want me to do this? Oh, I know which one. This one you need to change this one. You need to change the size.
Yeah, cannot actually cannot because it's still a string like this.
Okay. Okay. All right, no worries. Okay lah, you go first lah. Okay, let me just try figure out this quickly. Then I'll end it here as well.
Actually, you try to make like convert the whole string into not a string type first, and then you replace the 0.2 with the things I give you here.
Sorry, remove what? But
No,
the thing is, you convert this not into not a string, it doesn't work though, because this is a word and then this is numbers.
Yeah, so you have to figure out a way.
Okay, my idea is still I want to count what is okay. My idea is I want to count how many items, how many letters are inside, remove the last three, and then after that replace it with concate it back with this thing.
Actually, I don't think it can be done because how do you want to count?
Okay. How do I want to count? I use the length method. So I use the length method to find how long is it, and then I just need to delete off the last 4 items out of the whole length.
1, 2, 3, 3 items.
The last 4 items, because this thing is one of it.
The last 4, last 3, last 2.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. This one delete off. This front part I need to save it. Cannot. I'm saying out the strategy already. Okay, so is it a for loop? Yeah, I'm just gonna try it on this one. Okay, I'm not gonna change the color. I think we just try to see if it works for this one or not. So check for the length. Then I want to cut it off. Save part the string. Sorry. Okay, so it is 1 to 4. Hello, okay, 1 to 4. All right, this is what I need actually. So I need to get the string length first. Oh shit, so long I haven't typed.
Why not you cut -4 to -1?
-4 to -1. Does it work that way? You look
-2.
You look work that way one. You look through to the front, is it?
I mean, it starts from behind because you are giving is a negative sign.
Oh, I didn't know you can do that. Okay, you know what? Let's try it out. So you're telling me that this thing can go to negative side, which is -3. Small to large. Wow, my direction of the ballet already. -1. Is that how it works? Doesn't work, this one. So, I think I only put in positive numbers. Yeah, okay, this one's starting to work already. Okay, let me just do some quick maths. I think it should be okay. Let me think a bit. I think I can get the picture already. So what I need is to find the length string.length. Okay. Then I need to minus off 4 items, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from there, this equals to input x.length minus of the 4. You need to minus off 4 here. And after that, we want to save it from 0 to remainder. Then let's see what is the result. Yeah, this is what I need. Okay. Then what I need is that my result, I need to plus that with my input range. All right, so basically it's this one. Okay, wrong syntax. Okay. Bar concat range equals to this input range plus this. Okay, this is concat range. And this one should be concat range. Okay, it should work. Nice. Okay lah. Yeah, I think it works already. Okay, so this one, I think got some problem. Okay, but yeah, I think that's pretty much how we can change the last part. I think because I need to keep a counter also, because the value will change a little bit here and there. Okay, all right. Thanks everyone. I think that's pretty much it for today. Hope you guys found this at least helpful in changing this color. But to implement that, I think we need we need some time to do it. So that one we'll save for next time. Okay, so thanks everyone for joining. See you guys next time. Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Okay, stop recording.